Okay, today we're going to do a video on how to replace your blinker light on this Ford Flex. Okay, the left side's normal. The right side, it blinks real fast. So that means that your light is out. One of your blinker lights. You have to have some normal blink. Right side, fast. See that? The passenger side works. Driver's side works, so we know now it's this side. That's normal. Now do the other side. Nothing. Okay, this is the one that's bad. So now that we figured out which blinker light, it's this one right here, the bottom one. So let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, and here is the lights, Sylvania lights that I picked up at Auto Parts Store, number 4157. Okay. First thing we do right here, you have these two 5/16 screws. Just get a 5/16 nut driver. There's two screws, that's all it is. Put these aside. Pop the screws out like that. And it's right here. This one right here. Okay? So all we're gonna do is twist the quarter return and pop it out. Same kind, Sylvania. So all we're gonna do is pull it out. Careful with this. Like that. Now here's the new one here. Same one. Bob grease. I bought this separate. It's only like $1, so it's good to use this. Put it on like that. I recommend using this. Same way. We just slip it right in just like that. See, it clicks in. This again is a quarter turn. 1/4 turn. That's it. Simple. Put it back on the way you took it off. Okay, these two pins go in these right here. Just like that. Snap this back in. Okay, 5/16, two screws. Very simple. They recommend to go ahead and change both bulbs out because usually these bulbs were installed at the same time. So if this one went out, this one should be going out. This one should be going out also. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to go ahead and save my bulb. There it is. There it is there. Got it fixed. Right blinker. Okay. Normal. Left. Normal. There it is there. That's how you change out a blinker light in a 2009 Ford Flex. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.